Well, the county is downplaying concerns about the California variant of coronavirus. Some researchers warning it could be more dangerous and more contagious. Our Misha DeBono is live for us tonight at UC San Diego with what you need to know. Misha.
Yeah, Andrew, good evening. We've known about this West Coast or California variant for a while, but it was not thought to be as dangerous as some of the others from the UK, for example. But now this group of researchers say that's not the case. They say it actually could be worse. However, not everybody agrees with that assessment.
A coronavirus variant that researchers believe is nearly the dominant strain here in California not only spreads more readily than its predecessors, but also seems to make people more sick, even evading antibodies generated by COVID-19 vaccines or prior infection. Researchers at UC San Francisco were trying to better understand the holiday surge in cases and found this variant to be more easily transmissible by 40%. Based on the findings, the scientists would like this strain to be marked as a variant of concern, as are those from the United Kingdom, South Africa, and Brazil.
It's a race between us and the variants, and we don't want to lose.
They now believe this mutation may have taken hold in May of last year, and by next month they believe 90% of positive cases will be of this variant. They say it not only spreads more readily, but is associated with more severe illness and death. This comes as we were seeing a dramatic decrease of positive cases, hospitalizations, ICU, and death. Here's County Health official Dr. Eric McDonald during Wednesday's coronavirus briefing.
We are monitoring these variants, and we're concerned about some of them being more contagious than others, but that study I personally have not read. I don't think it's been peer reviewed.
While no one is disputing the findings, some are cautioning against the analysis of those findings since the study has yet to be published, including well-known and esteemed local cardiologist, scientist, and author Dr. Eric Topol. Posting to Twitter, Topol writes, "There's a problem with labeling the California variant, quote, increasingly dangerous, when there isn't even a preprint published, and we're watching dramatic descent in cases, hospitalization, and deaths despite its high frequency."
So the study is going to be published next week. For now, the state of California, as well as the Department of Health up in Northern California, is looking at all of the data there. Just another reminder for everybody that it's changing daily. You just have to remember to wear your mask and socially distance. From UTC, Misha DeBono, Fox 5 News.
Misha, thank you very much. When it comes to the latest numbers tonight, 658 new cases of coronavirus were reported here in San Diego County today. That marks 13 straight days now that the cases have been fewer than 1,000. Hospitalizations are also trending down. 602 people right now are in the hospital with the virus. 12 more people have died from coronavirus. That now pushes the county's total to 3,230 San Diegans since the pandemic started about a year ago.